Okay, I just want to share you that today is a class. This is a communication expert training class. Whenever you feel problem, you can write it down. What type of problem you are facing, because there is some network problem is going on. Okay, everything is clear. Okay, I can go to the communication expert training course. First of all, I want to share uh, about myself. I'm Rishikesh Banerjee, and last 12 years I'm working in a media. In several news channel I have worked, and presently I also am working in a news channel. In this training course, I will teach you how to communicate with the people and the public speaking course also. So, guys, this is the most important class, I think. And whenever you think the communication on that time in our native language, okay. But somehow, whenever it comes to the English, and we need this language because the English is a global language, and we have to we have to learn this language whenever we try to communicate with the people. And this is most time it's happened that we are not feeling comfortable whenever we communicate in English. For that, I am here. I want to help you guys to communicate in English language fluently, and for that we are facing some problem. And here in my course, I will tell you how you can remove your all type of problem whenever you are facing, whenever you face some problem to communicate with the people in English language. But there are so many institutions today that they can guide you how to communicate. But here, where is the difference between us and them? The difference is that we can assure you that by this training, if you are follow this training correctly, if you are follow what type of task you have given, then I can assure you guys you can communicate in this language. And English, try to think English the subject. Try to think this is a language. Don't think English is a subject. It's a language, and you have to learn. You have to learn the correct technique of language. For that, you have to be the self-belief first. What is self-belief? Sometimes sound very low. I feel that is what and I think environment right now Kolkata is not okay. Today before there is an Amphan cyclone, and now some network problem is there. So I feel that somehow this problem is okay. But you can hear me now, guys. Give me a yes. Can you hear me? Give me a yes if you can hear me. Yes. Okay. So self belief is very much important to talk. Whenever you try to speak in this language, first of all, you have to believe, yes, I can speak. You have to believe that, yes, you can speak in this language. So your training comes from that. Whenever you feel that, yes, I can believe, I can speak in this language, on that time, your ability will talk. Your ability will talk. You have already you have already taken education, the formal education. Somehow, someone passing formal education 12 years, someone giving their 15 years, 16 years, so long. The formal education timing is there. So still that we are not communicate, we are not fluent in English. Also, we are not communicate also our native language. Someone speak Hindi, someone speak Telugu, someone speak Bangla. They cannot communicate in this language also. So they are the this is language. This language is the native language of them. But because of that, they don't have self-belief. Whenever you are in a gathering, whenever you are in front of your boss, whenever you are in front of your principal, on that time you are in some hesitation, you cannot express yourself because of you don't have such self-belief. First of all, from today, you have to think that yes, I can do it. I have to do it. So, how will you increase your self-belief? To take initiative. Such, you are taking initiative to participate this class. That means you are starting action. You will start action. You are the action taker. And this type of initiative, you need all those time. You have to take some initiative properly. And this is the most important thing, guys, I can assure you. Understand? Yes? Give me a yes. Give me a yes. Guys, you have to communicate first. You have to communicate with me. You have to take action. You have to take action first. And whenever I ask, you have to say yes. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Then the self-belief is the most important thing, and you have to believe first that yes, I can do it now. And how you increase your self-belief by taking initiative. You have to take some initiative. Right now, you are taking initiative. You are joining this class, and now all the initiative you are taking that will give you some value. I am giving you so much value, and I think you can take some action. Already you are taking some action to join this class. Second thing is human mind. Mind. Uh, okay. Human mind is always we are thinking that we are always feeling in comfortable zone. We love the comfortable zone because we people are not taking. We are not uh, such a people to take some risk. Now we can go through a task. Put your hands, right hands to your left hands, and give a clap. Do it now, guys. Do it now. Give a clap. And yes, just just now I'm doing this clap. You can do this clap. And told me which hand's finger, right or left, which finger is up. Tell me. First, you can answer me. Which finger is up? Is it left or right? You have to take action. Don't laugh. You have to take action and tell me left. Okay. And now you change your hand. Now you uh, put your right hand finger up, and those who are taking their left hand finger up, they can change their finger and then clap. Is it easy or not? You feel easy? You feel ease, comfortable? You are giving clap? Give me a yes or no. Is it comfortable for you? Everyone, you have to answer me. You have to answer. No, you are not comfortable, right? So that means whenever we are doing something and that's we are not habituated on that field, we are not habituated to doing this, that time we feel uncomfortable. We are not feeling ease. That's why I'm telling you, this is the human mind. Human mind always try to kept in a comfortable zone. Survival principle. We are not trying to take any type of risk. But here, if you wants to, if you wants to communicate with the others, if you want to be the successful in your life, you have to take some risk. You have to change your mind first. You have to train your mind. Sometimes we are afraid to change, but you have to change your mind whenever you want to success in your life. This is a human thing. You don't feel any guilty, but this is a human mind. We always try to be in a like comfortable zone, and comfortable zone for us is a cage. We have to we have to overcome. We have to come out from this cage. We have to come out from this comfortable zone. Then we can be successful in our life. Then we can communicate with the people. If you have such a belief that yes, I can speak English, on that belief, you can, whenever you go in a gathering, and that time your comfortable will increase. You can feel the comfort, you can feel the ease, you can go to anyone, you can talk to the others, and you feel such a confident you are. So that bring you so much confidence. So self-belief is much more important in your life. You have to believe first yourself that yes, I have so much thing. Everybody is a talented person. Everybody wants to do something, but sometimes we are not ready to take action. Sometimes we are feeling that no, I am not taking this type of risk. Sometimes we people are feeling that uh, this is not for me. I am not so much comfortable. And sometimes we feel the lack of belief. For that, we have to increase our belief first. And first of all, you have to believe that yes, I can do it, guys. Give me a yes. Can you understand? Can I move this next slide? Give me a yes. Can I move the next slide, guys? Okay. Then whenever the communication is comes on, then you have to talk. Start talking. Select any non-topic, any type of topic you can select. Select any non-topic, such as mobile, such as laptop, such as light, and you can select any type of topic and you have to talk on that. Whenever you talk on that time, your self-belief, your uh, confidence will grow up. You have to talk. You have to talk. Otherwise, your communication skill is did not build up. You have to talk. Include a personal example also. Whenever you talk, whenever you communicate, whenever you giving any type of speech, you have to take some personal example also. Everybody's life is such good things is happening and bad things also happening in their life. Everybody have some experience in their life, and you can collaborate this such type of experience whenever you talk, whenever you give some speech, and that will connect to the people. So whenever, suppose when you are in an audience, you auditorium, and such a huge audience is waiting for you, and before going there you have to prepare yourself. You have to know the topic, in which topic you are going there, and you are giving your speech. For that, you have knowledge and self-belief. And if you have the knowledgeable person, if you have knowledge, so much knowledge, then your confidence will build up. And think that the how you connect with the audience, this is the most important things. For that, you have to give some personal example also. You have to make some story. Every I'm not telling that that means you are giving a fake story also. No, always be the transparent with the people. Be honest. And whenever you talk with the people, whenever you give your speech, don't apologize. Never apologize while talking. Such as whenever I am talking, I'm not still now. I'm not. telling any type of sorry, oh, beg your pardon. No, don't say that. Whenever you talking with the people, whenever you giving any such type of speech, one-to-one conversation, and start positive. And whenever you talk with the people, think positively, express gratitude, say thank you, try to learn thank you. We people are nowadays forget to say thank you. And full present, and also use contact, eye contact. You have to use that eye contact whenever you talk with the people. Contact, your eye contact should be there. You have to use your eye contact, and you have to listen first. Whenever someone speak in front of you, you have to listen first. What type of what is he say? And otherwise we cannot communicate with the people. You have to be the good listener first. And again, I can say you choose the common topics also and start talking. Whoever, and if you are getting any type of accountability partner, then you can talk with them. Otherwise, you can talk in front of camera, in front of mirror. You can start talking with them with this camera. And next is how to appear much more confident than you are. In right now, those who are uh, join this course, before that you are not such more confident, you are not feeling confident to talk with the people. But if you feel that so much confident now, then that means you believe that you can talk with the people. And you have to believe that you can communicate with the people. And also you have to maintain the eye contact also. And whenever you stand in front of a people, don't cross your arms. Whenever you stand, don't cross your arms. Right? Can you understand, guys? Yes, I can say you. Someone asked, does the grammatical mistake matter while talking? Whenever you start talking, forget about the grammatical mistakes. Yes, you listen right. Forget about the grammatical mistakes. Whenever you start talking, forget. You have to talk. Start talking first. We are sometimes we feel shy, sometimes we are not feeling confident. Yes, I am doing right things or not. I'm saying the grammatically correct or not. For that, here also some exercise. Also, we can do that whole day from morning to night. Whatever the subject you get, you talk, you write it down, and then check the grammatical portion. And then you can record the word, you can record the paragraph also. Make a paragraph. Like you see a movie, like you see a bottle, make a sentence. And whole day you make the all type of things, whatever you see, whatever you watch, and make a paragraph and then record. And you can, before recording, you can check the grammatically is it correct or not. Nowadays there are so many software is there, we can check the properly the grammatically we are doing right or not, right? So you can check properly that the what is the correct things or what is the wrong, we can check grammatically, right? There is one of my friend is there. Anand is there. Anand, I am unmuting you. Unmute you. You can say anything. Anand, you unmute
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
So,
Uh,
how are you feeling?
yeah, yeah, it's good, sir. It's good one. It's very good conversation. Uh, whatever you're saying is correct one, sir. Thing is that don't
Sorry, I
what you
can hear you, Anand. I can hear you.
yeah, whatever you told us, sir, about spelling grammar mistake. While we are speaking, we'll come to know our uh, fault points. Okay, where we are lagging. Actually, whatever we are supposed, there may be a grammatical mistake. When we are able to speak, then only
Hmm.
we'll come to know where we are stuck. By
Right.
practicing the things only the thing will come, and improve
Right, right.
by doing
Uh,
efforts, by putting an
exactly.
effort
First of all,
and
you have
practicing.
to take the action. And I'm mute you. First of all, you have to take the action. You have to start talking. You have to take some action. Whenever you start talking, on that time, you can uh, know that yes, I am right or wrong. So you have to start talking. First of all, forget about your grammatical mistakes and all those things, vocabulary, grammatical mistakes. Forget about that. Take some action. Whenever you take some action, on that time you can know the okay. Your confidence will build up, your self belief will build up, and you are forgetting all those things. First of all, you have to take some action. Start talking. We are lacking of that. We are always thinking that yes, oh my God, I am doing mistakes, so many mistakes I am doing the grammatically. Where is, am, are, where is have, where should be should be forget about that. Start talking, and you can uh, the what type of exercise I am giving you, you can practice that, and that will help you whenever you practice, whenever you try to talk with the people. And this type of task can help you to build up the grammatically correct also. Environment. Environment is much more important whenever you are go through some mission. You are in a mission. Those who are enrolled their name, that means you are in a mission. Environment is much more important. This is also most important thing to grow yourself. And you need a good environment. That means you need that the so much friend or the accountability partner to whom you can communicate, you can talk any type of subject. If you don't have, no problem, there's no guilty feelings, right? If you don't have, then you have to you have to create your environment first, right? Give me a yes. Understand? You have to make your environment first. So environment can make the people. If your system is ready, you can go through the system. And if you have such an environment, then all those things is what I can say, all those things is happening so smoothly. So what I can give you the example also. The doctor songs like always be the doctor. This is an example because they have such an environment. The most of things, most of time, it's happened. And though there are some problem is there also, but always if you watch that the doctor's son, who is a doctor, and also the father and mother, the doctor, the son will be the doctor also. This is means what I am telling, what I try to tell, that the environment is much more important. And if you don't have the such an environment, then you have to create first. You have to create your environment. Otherwise, you cannot grow. Otherwise, you have facing some problem. Also, here I can say you that the whenever you are in a mission, on that time you are facing lot of negative word also. Sometimes it's come from your friends, sometimes it's come from your childhood friend, and if you have any girlfriend, boyfriend, sometimes their negative words also comes from them. So you have to remove first. You have to remove these type of negative words. If possible, then you can remove them also, because you are in a mission, guys. Can you understand? You are in a mission. Then whenever you are in a mission, on that time you have to feel that no, I have to remove all such a negative thoughts. Sometimes negative thoughts comes from our relative also. Then we have to remove. We have to overlook them. So quickly recap is self-belief. This is the most important thing that you have to believe first. No, I can communicate with the people in English language. This is a language. First of all, you have to think this is a language. This is not a subject, and you have to take some initiative to develop yourself, to develop your language, develop your communication skill, and you have to, for that you have to take some action initiative. This is most important. And human mind, you have to comes out from your cage. And sometime human mind also afraid to change something, but you have to change whenever you wants to do something. Whenever you wants to be the successful person, on that time you have to change your mindset, right? And next is starting talk. Start uh, talk. Select non-topic, unknown topic, and you can select topic randomly also and start talking. Whatever the subject is, you have to start talking, right? And next is speaking fluently in English is word. Daily happening. Also, I'm telling you, daily happening. Whatever the subject you get, you have to make it in English. Like we get pani, we have to make is water. Like we are writing a pen, you have to think it's a pen. This is not a column or other things. Like we are taking food. Whatever the things we get, whatever the things is happening around us, we have to think it English. You have to think in English. Your thinking should be in English. Okay. You have to think in English, not a native language. Sometimes we think, whenever we try to speak English, sometimes we think first in our native language, then we translate. I'm telling you, stop doing this. I'm telling you guys, stop doing this. Don't do this if you want to communicate, if you want to speak English in a good manner, right? Think in English. Whatever subject you get in your daily life, think it English, then make it a sentence and then make it a paragraph and check the grammar and all those things and speak and record. Speak and record. Whatever the subject is, speak. And also, if those people are already enlisted, they know they will get this topic, daily basis topic. And those who are not enlisted doing the free classes, they know that, and they should be happy that they will get a daily basis topic, and they have to speak and record, speak and record. So you don't think about that. You are not getting any type of topic. You are already in this course. You already get some topic also. And whenever you enlisted your name in this course, then every day you all get some topic, and you have to speak on that and also record. And one thing then I do the one-to-one conversation. Start positive, fully present, and also maintain the eye contact and your body language should be positive. Listen first the speaker, the in front of the speaker, what they say. You have to listen, be a good listener also. If you want to be the good speaker, then you have to listen first, then you can give your answer, right? Understand? Give me a yes. Okay. And then is how to appear much more confident than you are. And first of all, you have to believe that you are already there. Feel I am the winner. Whenever you feel that you are the winner, then your confidence, this is a trick also. Whenever you feel that you are the winner, on that time your confidence will build up. Your self-belief also build up. And here I can say, always maintain the eye contact. Whenever you talk with the people like that, I'm talking with you, and yes, I'm talking with you, I'm maintaining the eye contact. Whenever you talk the people, please maintain the eye contact and never apologize, and don't cross your arms like that. Like free feel whenever you give any type of speech, free feel. Okay, and you are just open your hands and feel like I am the winner, I am the boss, like that. Suppose if I'm telling you that you have to give a speech in front of uh, school student, then your confidence automatically build up. Huh? It will be the easy job for you guys. Why? Can you tell me why? Anybody? Why your confidence will build up and you can and your job will be the so much easy? Can you tell me? Anybody? Because of that, that you feel on that time the knowledge such of knowledge you have, that enough knowledge you have, and you know more than that, more than the this type of student. So on that time you feel confidence, your self belief will increase. Here also means you have to be the knowledge. Everybody know, but no one practicing that. Where we will go, where we will get the knowledge? From book, newspaper, and from also nowadays the internet, and the world is so much small nowadays. We can get any type of information from only for using our finger. So this is not a difficult job nowadays. But you have to take some action. You have to take some initiative first. Whenever you take initiative on that time, the your job, your action, all those things, your confidence will build up, and all those things will make you easy. I'm telling you guys, it's not a difficult job to communicate in English. But first of all, you have to build up your confidence, your self-belief. This is the most important things, that we have to build up our self-belief, right? You can watch that so much value I am giving you in this class, and something will happen with you, and you have to take action first. And if you want to learn, if you want to communicate with the people, then you have to take initiative. And already I am giving you the I am congratulate the people, those who are taking action, those who are enroll their name in this class. A very a big clap, and congratulations those who are taking their initiative. So that type of initiative is needed. Such a motivation needed. Whenever you build yourself, this is the time you have to build yourself. Don't waste your time for doing or doing anything, the Facebook, the Twitter, and all those things, playing games. This is the time you have to build yourself. And I'm promising you, in this course you will get so much value that can help you to build up. I'm here, guys. Here to help you guys. I try to help you, that so much value I have, so much knowledge I have, that I can communicate with the people, and I know the technique how to communicate with the people. And I try to I try to share with you. Knowledge is increased when you sharing your knowledge, right? Guys, I think that's all for today. And if you have any question, please ask me. Only few minutes are left. If you have any type of question, anyone have any question, then write it down. You can ask me, guys. There are already the few minutes are left, and I'm assure you, those who are not taking action, those who are not, I'm telling you, those who are not taking action, if you are not taking action, if you are not enrolling your name right now, do it right now. And this opportunity for you, we have to speak, and for that you have to take part in this course. And this is a lifelong course. You will get help in the lifetime, right? So right now you have to take action right now, and I can give you so much value. So much value is waiting for you guys. I think nobody have any type of question. If they can understand what I am telling, and all the people is a nice person, those who are in the class. And last thing I'm telling you guys, environment. This is most important thing. Environment makes a man. Environment can makes you. Believe me. Okay? Give me a yes. Give me a yes, guys. Okay, for today. Okay. Yes. So there's only 1 minute left. So I'm ending my class for today and hope for the best. I'm congratulate again those people are taking action, and again big clap for whom those are taking action, those who are taking initiative to learn this type of communication skill, public speaking skill. Thank you. Thanks for joining this class. Really.